when he saw that the rainwater or the rain was started suddenly. He was so much happy that he went outside and directly felt the presence of the rain on his body. इतना खुश हो गया कि खुशी के मारे बाहर निकल गया और महसूस किया डायरेक्टली बारिश की बूंदों को अपने शरीर पे. When he returned, he exclaimed, and after feeling the joy of rain on his body, he came inside and told, "These are not raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins." That means Lancho compared the raindrops with new coins. Lancho ने बारिश की बूंदों को पैसों के साथ, सिक्कों के साथ कंपेयर किया. बोला कि ये बारिश की बूंदें नहीं हैं जो आसमान से गिर रही हैं, वो पैसे हैं जो बरस रहे हैं. The big drops are 10 cent pieces and the little ones are 5. बड़ी बूंदें 10 cent pieces, that means you can take in your local example or in your own example, that means बड़ी बूंदें 10 रुपए हैं या 10 रुपए के सिक्के हैं और छोटी बूंदें 5 रुपए के सिक्के हैं. With a satisfied expression he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers. Lancho was so much satisfied with the expression that he was watching outside that he expected again for a good harvest, wrapped in a curtain of rain, and he also observing that the whole crop was now totally feeling very well or smoothly itself due to the presence of rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain very large hailstone began to fall. But after a few moments, with the raindrops, suddenly a strong wind began to blow. बारिश के साथ जोर से तूफान भी शुरू हो गया. And along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. Hailstone means frozen rain. That means ओले गिरने शुरू हो गए बारिश के साथ, तूफान के साथ. This truly did resemble new silver coin. This time we can say that the frozen rain just directly like न्यू सिल्वर कॉइन्स. अब ये कहा जा सकता था कि अब बारिश की बूंदें वास्तव में सिल्वर कॉइन्स की जैसी थी. द बॉयज एक्सपोजिंग देमसेल्व्स टू द रेन रेन आउट टू कलेक्ट द फ्रोजन पर्ल्स. बच्चे थे, जैसे ही ओले गिरना शुरू हुए तो उनको इकट्ठा करने के लिए बाहर दौड़ पड़े. इट्स रियली गेटिंग बैड नाउ. दे इवन द बॉयज दे वर नॉट एबल टू जज, दे वर नॉट एबल टू think about the results in future due to that type of hailstones. It's really getting bad now, exclaimed the man. The man here referred to Lancho. He was thinking that it is not good. He expected only for rain, but after a short time, the rain was totally covered, totally changed into the big hailstones. I hope it passes quickly, and he imagined that it will pass quickly. It did not pass quickly, but it didn't happen there. उसने सोचा कि जल्दी बंद हो जाएंगे, लेकिन ऐसा हुआ नहीं. For an hour the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. The field was white as if covered with salt. That means just for an hour the hailstone continued every direction, in every side. Lancho can see that everything was totally covered up with the hailstones. It was just like fully covered with salt. ऐसा लग रहा जैसे नमक की चादर हर जगह पे चढ़ा दी गई हो. सब कुछ सफ़ेद लग रहा था due to the presence of the hailstones. Not a leaf remained on the trees. पेड़ों पे एक भी पत्ता नहीं बचा था. The corn was totally destroyed. उसकी फसल पूरी तरह से बर्बाद हो गई थी. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lancho's soul was filled with sadness. And after observing the scene like this, Lancho's soul was filled with sadness. That means Lancho was fully sad. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons. After the completion of the hailstone, he came outside and told to his sons, a plague of locusts. Locust यहाँ पे जैसे टिड्डी जो होती हैं, टिड्डी बोलते हैं, टिड्डी ग्रुप में जो है अटैक करती हैं किसी भी फसल के ऊपर. तो प्लेग ऑफ लोकेस्ट का मतलब टिड्डियों का एक बड़ा जो दल होता है, जो ग्रुप होता है, वुड हैव लेफ्ट मोर देन दिस। कहते टिड्डी भी अगर हमला कर देती तो वो भी इससे ज़्यादा तो वो भी छोड़ देती हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो हेल स्टोन्स या फिर बारिश ने कुछ नहीं छोड़ा। द हेल हैज़ लेफ्ट नथिंग, इट वॉज नथिंग एट द नेम ऑफ क्रॉप दिस टाइम ड्यू टू ए long or heavy hailstone. This year we will have no corn. This time Lencho was thinking about the future. He was thinking that he has nothing at the name of corn this time or this year. That night was a sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. सोच रहा था सारी मेहनत बेकार चली गई. There is no one who can help us. We all go hungry this year. It is said that his house was totally alone in the valley. There is no chance of any type of help from the government or any other neighboring people. So he was totally distressed in himself that there is no chance to get any help from any shores, and it was sure that they will all go hungry this year. ये बिल्कुल क्लियर था कि इस साल तो उनका पूरा परिवार भूखा मरेगा, कोई भी हेल्प उसको नज़र नहीं आ रही थी. Dear students, you have to cover up there. Thank you.